Like the way I hatch my lines, for example, there are people who harp on parallel parallel lines. I am personally not one of those people who cares for the lines to be exactly perfectly parallel. I don't know. Maybe I should care. I'm looking at it right now and thinking, Guts and the Beautiful. Hello, how are you? That's exactly what I was thinking. I was thinking, Guts and the Beautiful. How beautiful thou art. So I'm working on page 19 today, Gutson. Here's how it looks without any blue lines. How's it going there in Hawaii, Gutson? About to go find lunch here. That's usually what you're doing when you come into the stream. If only I had an elbow on my left arm that I could look at. That's not it. That's not how the elbow goes. Ugh. When in doubt, black it out. I'm in doubt, I must say. Well, maybe that helped. Perhaps that line helped. Okay. All right. I know what everybody's waiting for. I know that you want me to tell you what day it is. What is special about today? I'm on pins and needles myself as well. Let's see here. Here we go. Today is May 8th, 2023. Tuesday, May 8th, 2023. But not only that, it is also Okay, hold on. All right. No, May 9th. It is also take two. Today is not only Tuesday, May 9th, 2023, it is also Childhood Depression Awareness Day. I have been made aware. The COVID was hard on a lot of kids, a lot of parents, but a lot of kids as well. Because they don't have, I'm not a psychologist, or it's not like I know what I'm talking about in this area. But I know from personal experience, some of the kids were missing school, were missing social connections, were missing, even though they were doing it online, it's just not the same. Just not the same. So a lot of kids struggled. So I don't know what it's like now after the pandemic, after we've gone back. My workplace, when I go into work, I'm one of the few people that actually have to go into work. Today I actually worked from home, but normally I'm in the office with very few people, with my supervisor and 3 other guys. That's it. And it's a pretty big office. So I don't know when or if things are ever going to go back to normal in that way. But I would be very fine. I would be very fine if everything did go back to normal. Normal meaning before 2020. We had no idea how well we had it back in 2019. I had a job that I wasn't extremely happy with, but, and I was taking my time to find another job. But then, all of a sudden, Oliver Sutton, things changed drastically. All of a sudden, I was working from my basement on the phone. Not knowing how long it would be until I would get out of my basement. Not knowing how long those 2 weeks would last. But hopefully that's all in the past, is all in hindsight. All in the rear view mirror. Oh, well, no wonder they're so small. I have it set for number 4, not number 7. All right, so let's see. I don't want to hide that bone because I worked so hard on it. So I'm back on my diet. Took a look at myself in the mirror. I said, you know what? That is not how I thought I looked. I did lose some weight a few years ago. Some of it has come back. I've gained 6 pounds since losing. I did lose, how much did I lose? I lost 60 pounds. So I was happy with that. I was pretty happy with how much I lost.